Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. Today I got big news for you. I'm downsizing. From this big beast right here to this awesome rig right here. I'm going to show you how this one can work just as good as that big one over there. Let's get started. So first off guys, I really love this van. This Ford E350 has been awesome. It's got tons of room in it. I got 2 rows of seats. I've set up 2 swivel seats back there so I can change when I get to the track. I can fit 2 bikes easily back there. Some guys are fitting 3 in there if they put one in backwards. I got a hitch on it. It can tow anything. I got a couple trailers here. I'm getting rid of those also because I got to downsize. And here's why. The biggest reason is fuel. So right now, this beauty right here gets 13 miles per gallon. But this vehicle makes 21 miles per gallon city and 29 highway. We're going to have plenty of room. It's going to work out. It's costing me, usually my riding areas are about 2 hours away, hour and 30 minutes. So even an hour and 30 minutes, that's 3 hours of driving, 13 miles per gallon. Gas now is pushing $3 a gallon. So it's costing me like $40 in gas. And I don't want fuel cost to affect my riding at all. And I don't want it to be the decision if I can ride or not if I got an extra 40 bucks each weekend. And if I'm going to a place where I got to pay, I usually have to pay $20, $25. So you know, $65, $70 a weekend to ride is just crazy. With the other van, the fuel mileage on that thing, I can spend like 20 bucks and I don't mind spending, you know, 40 bucks in a weekend if I have to. But the fuel cost alone is going to be 40 bucks. It's just too much. And I want to be able to ride a lot further this year. I want to be able to go to a lot of different places. And I just don't want fuel to really be an issue. I looked at a couple diesel vans and I don't know a whole lot about them to get into them. I can work on gas vehicles. Diesel engines, it's going to be a whole nother thing I'd have to learn, and I'm getting mixed reviews, and the ones that I would think would work out really good are way too expensive. I can't afford them. I just don't have the kind of money to be spending, you know, $70 a weekend on fuel, and diesel fuel is even more expensive. So I'm not sure that it's going to work out just to get a diesel van for miles per gallon. Now guys, I'm not dumb. I want you to understand something. I'm paying for the other vehicle the same amount I'm paying that I'm selling this one for. So it would be dumb if I got rid of this one and bought another vehicle that costs a lot more money that I have payments on just to save money on gas. Let's be reasonable here, right? So as usual, as you guys know, I always hunt around for vehicles. I was able to find that one for a really good deal. It had a couple engine lights on. It needs an engine mount. It's got 166,000 miles on it. This one's got 158, so I'm trading off miles for miles. This one is a 97. That one is a 2016. So that was a fleet vehicle. I was able to get it for a really good deal, like I said. So I'm going to be able to break even when I sell this van. I also have a double axle trailer out there that I use sometimes. I'm going to sell that one and just pick up a smaller trailer that one can pull. That's got like a 2,000 pound towing capacity, 1,000 pounds inside, and then 2,000 trailer capacity. So it's plenty. Now, they're not really big, and you can just barely get a bike in there. So I'm going to show you guys how I set it up in there and how I can make everything work in that small van and still have a good ride, have all my gear in there, my fuel and everything that I need. So if I didn't find that vehicle, I probably would have stayed with this one because it's not worth trading out, like I said, to buy a vehicle and have a car payment just to save money on gas. I don't know why people do that. They're like, I'm going to buy a brand new electric vehicle hybrid so I can save money on fuel. But your other vehicle's already paid off, so why would you want a $500 a month payment to save on gas? People really think like that? So guys, listen, please stay tuned to my videos. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications, guys. I'm going to have a bunch of videos on how I set that up as a Motovan. It's going to work out perfect, guys, and you're going to enjoy it. And you'll see that you just need a vehicle to get you back and forth to riding and save your money and spend it on some tires and engine performance and suspension. That's where I want my money to go, not into fuel. Guys, until next time, this is Tepco Cycle Repair.